Wait, we are recording now. Oh. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna go. We're gonna play this game called Torture the Prisoner. And I haven't played it. Let's see. Whoa. No, add, is an ad. Get out of here. Okay, so what's this? Pistol. Oh. Okay, so this thing right here, I want to click it. Click. There we go. And then, what's this? A nail? Oh, God. Tap on it to move. I'm gonna kill him with... what's this? I can't click on it. Let me just pause the recording. Wait. Okay, we are recording again. I can't seem to click on that. Click. AK-47. No, he's dead. Reset. Reset. Okay, so this is not going to be a long video. We're going to go for, what's this? A shotgun. A shotgun. Ooh, that is a shotgun. Ads. Okay, let's see what this is. I want to pick it. Yeah, let's go with the nail. Right in the head. Take it out. Ah, take it out. 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 He's gonna die. Take him out. Go back to the video, go back. Reset, reset. 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 I just dropped off his leg. Oh no. Dude, this is a I think I'm done here. This is gonna be the end. Sorry. Oh, here's some real face. And I'm sorry if it's a very short video, but bye.